I will study there.
Venice is actually interviewing us,
I only speak Arabic only.
an educated man, and Venice is not. Venice is not an educated person, and he's right now interviewing a 10-year-old kid.
Do you want to have a girlfriend which is Filipina? Ah, really? So, wait for me, ah.
So, you want to make a love affair on a Filipino woman?
Affair.
Right.
Sabi niya sa bata.
That was so advanced, alright?
So,
You should better, yeah. Who's your crush?
your celebrity crush.
Celebrity crush.
Angel.
Angel Locsin. Wow.
Angel Locsin.
A celebrity from Channel 2.
Look, look at her face. She looks like she look like Angel Locsin, the Bayabas. Angel Locsin Bayabas. Is she pretty?
Thank you so much.
Is she pretty?
Yes.
Is she pretty?
Yes.
Is he ugly? Yes.
Is he pretty?
Is he cute?
Is she pretty?
No, I'm handsome. Yes, I'm handsome. Right. Thank you for that. Look. A very desirable face I ever encountered in the world. It's now videotape
Footage.
footage. A footage of a very desirable girl who finds no love.
Yung sa mga mo.
Look at the camera, alright? You're so...
Smile!
Smile, smile, right? You're so cute. That's a nice footage of you, huh? Look at the monkey, he's eating a bayabas.
Wala kasing baboy yan. Ulitin mo yung clip na yan. Na-upload nga yan sa video yun eh.